welcome back to Ajmera Fashion. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan, and in today's video I am going to show you the collection of Sharara. Yes, Sharara, which is the thing which customers are really demanding nowadays. That's why I thought that I should show you that kind of collection today. So let's move forward and see the first sample of our today's video, and that is going to be this light color first. In the Sharara there are lots of color charts, light, dark and lots more. So this is first one, which is light color, which has a sequence work on it. Look, it is very pretty and elegant thing. Same way I want to show you the bottom, the Sharara over here, and look at this. This is the Sharara of this particular Sharara. Look, something this kind of look you will get here. It is coming with this Georgette dupatta, and this whole thing come on a base of Georgette. So very pretty. You can see shininess, silver shininess over here, and that is just because sequence. So it is very attractive and decent thing we are providing you here. That is in a wholesale. Let's move forward and let's see the next sample, and that is going to be, look, this dark dusty color. Now you can say this is kind of dusty, a muddy color, and Sharara will be come on a gota patti. Yes, Sharara is coming with the gota patti and foil work, and this kind of something brilliant piece we are providing you here, coming with this dupatta of net. And you can see, I hope you can get the look of this particular piece. And if you want to see the actual piece, like how it looks, so what you can do, you can direct contact us through WhatsApp. Yes, the numbers are on screen. You just have to call there or message there. We will provide you photos or videos of this kind of product, so that from there you will get idea that how it exactly looks after wearing, and how to order this and what is exactly price. Let's move forward and let's see this floral printed Sharara, which is very classy and elegant same time. Look, it is very classy, and color you can see it is very trendy nowadays, and a retailer can really add good margin in this kind of beautiful varieties. It is also coming with the panel sequence. Here you can see, here is a panel sequence we've made, and with a great quality of Georgette. And here we are providing you a digital printing with this short sleeves. You can see here are just the strips, and on that strips we have used jerkin, and same time we have used a mirror work. So very pretty and attractive piece this is too. Let's move forward, and I want to show you one more collection, one more color of this same piece, so you will have idea that which kind of colors we have. So look, both colors are very pretty and decent at the same time. And this is the bottom, this is the Sharara, and this is the piece. Now you might have idea that how decent it will look for any kind of festive season. Mainly a festive season. In the festive season, customer demands this kind of products. And if you are thinking to start your own business, and you are thinking that you should, what kind of varieties you should at your place, so we are here to suggest that from where are you belong, and at that place what you can add, what collection you can add over there. So if you are living in a South India, so we will suggest you that if you are living in the Kerala, so please keep cotton sarees, silk sarees, or Sharara, or fancy gowns, that kind of varieties. If you are living in a Tamil Nadu, so we will suggest you that keep pattu sari, Kanchipuram sarees, Thoras, Banarsis, that kind of sarees and kurtis. So same way we have a category over here, and like that category, if you want to know that categories, that where are you from and which varieties you should maintain at your place, how to do this cloth business, how to come in this textile industry. So for that you can join Ajmera Fashion, because we are the first manufacturer who is providing all of these things to a retailer. That's why it's a plus point for all of you who want to do their cloth business. We are providing you everything in a lowest range, so you will get everything in a lowest range direct from a manufacturer. So one retailer don't need anything, that you are getting best quality in a lowest range, so that you can sell this to your customers at a good margin. So next piece we are looking here with this very pretty color. This is going to be a dupatta, and something this kind of pista color we are providing you here. Look, Isn't this pretty? Coming with the mirror work and foil printing, again with a golden sequence and with a very pretty sharara. I want to show you the look of sharara over here. Isn't this pretty? So want to know the price of this product? What you can do, you can direct contact us. We will never disclose price on social media so that you can add a margin according to you, because there is no limit in margin. The margin depends on the location, from where are you selling. If you are selling this to from direct home, so you can add that kind of margin. If you are selling it to a mall or a good place or a big shop, so you can add that much margin where your customer will purchase from you. So it's depend on the location. Want to get some tips about business, a cloth business, and want to purchase these things in a wholesale, so it's my humble request, Ajmera Fashion is best place for all of you. Let's move forward and let's see next pretty pattern with the heavy dupatta. Let's open this dupatta first with the green, kind of greenish color you can see, and I want to show you first heavy dupatta over here. So on the dupatta you can see we have done some kind of this work. We have stitched this pearls over here, that is very pretty, and we are providing you a heavy dupatta which has a sequence work. And let me show you the top collection. This is the top, and you can see on the top there is also a heavy work of sequence. Yes, here is a full of sequence in the panel. We are providing you a stone work, so this is very pretty and elegant, attractive piece. If I talk about the range, so we have lowest range, but I won't disclose the exact price of product. Now you have a question that, ma'am, why you are not mentioning price? Just give us hint that we have idea to know the price. But friends, what will happen if I will disclose the price? If I will disclose price, that will be problem for a retailer. People like you to add your margin because you are going to resell from us. That's why I won't mention the price. Let's move forward and let's see the last sample of our today's video. And this is, look, it is very simple, coming with the work of embroidery. And same way I want to show you the bottom of crepe, georgette and crepe. Look, the fabric is called crepe fabric, and this is front half pattern is on a georgette fabric and second part is on a crepe fabric. So it is very elegant and pretty piece. Want to order anything online in a wholesale, you can direct contact us, numbers on our screen. So we accept this. We have lots of varieties: sari, kurti, lehenga, nighty, dress material, and lots of other things. Want to purchase that things, want to start your own shop, or want to sell this product from your home itself, you can join Ajmera Fashion. Not single pieces available, only wholesale. Keep this thing in your mind. So this was our video about sharara. If this video was informative for you, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan signing off.